There were last year 194,000 people who walked the Camino. That's a huge number of people between the months of approximately April and October walking that Camino. So when you're walking along on days, there's some days when you basically feel like you're walking the Camino entirely on your own. You don't bump into anyone, you don't walk with anyone. There are other days where you walk with different groups of people all day long. So you have a contact with a wide range of very different people from different countries. And among that group of people, there are some that you walk with that are like having met a soulmate, people that you feel you've known from a past life and that will always be in your life. In other cases, it's a good friendship, a warm and comfortable one. You're pleased to see them, but that sense of deep longevity doesn't last. And in some cases, of course, the encounter is really superficial. It just happens, it goes on. There's very rarely that you see people having disagreements or having uncomfortable moments on the Camino. So by and large, it's about the great thing called coincidence and meeting people that enrich your life.